Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to rename columns in Jotform Tables. This is a really useful skill when you're organizing data and want your column headers to be more descriptive or easier to understand at a glance. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your email and password to access your Jotform account. This step gets you into the main dashboard where all your forms and tables are stored. After logging in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the page. You'll see an option labeled My Workspace. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, select My Tables. This section is where all your data tables are organized, making it easy to manage and view the information you've collected through your forms. Now you'll see a list of all the tables you've created in your Jotform account. Look through this list to find the specific table that contains the column you want to rename. Once you've located it, click on View Table. This action will open up the full table view, displaying all your columns and the data within them. You might need to wait a moment for the table to fully load, especially if it contains a lot of data. With your table now open, locate the column you want to rename. Right beside the column name, you'll notice a three-dotted vertical line icon. This is the menu button for that specific column. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for managing the column. These options give you control over how the column functions and appears in your table. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Rename Column. This option allows you to change the column header to something that better suits your needs or makes your data easier to understand. It's particularly helpful when you're working with multiple columns and need clear, distinctive labels for each one. A text field will appear where you can type your preferred name for the column. Go ahead and enter the new name that you want to use. Make sure it's descriptive and clear so anyone viewing the table will understand what data the column contains. Once you've typed in the new name, simply press Enter on your keyboard to confirm the change. The column will immediately update with the new name you've chosen, and that's it. You've successfully renamed a column in Jotform Tables, making your data organization clearer and more efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.